Hello, Dennis here again with Cyberlink Power Director 2024. You can make videos, as I've shown you with many of my other segments, but you can also use Power Director to do some really nice slideshows of photographs that you've taken on your travels. And what's nice about it is you just drag each picture onto the timeline one after another in the order you want them shown. And then you drag a musical element in to go with them. And then boom, you've got a slideshow. If you want to make it a little more interesting, you can add transitions between each picture. And Power Director comes with a load of different transition effects that you can do between pictures. And I probably used more than I would normally use in this particular segment, but I wanted to show you the variety of transitions. Fade in, fade out is the simplest one, and that's the one I usually use for these videos, but you can do all kinds of really cool stuff with it. So without further ado, I thought I'd show you a slideshow of one of our trips to Zion down in Utah. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. I'd put it up against Yosemite any day. And enjoy.